Alright, last video. Said I'd make an update once I got this fucking exhaust together. This is aluminum cobra as well. But it's the long canister style. Pretty much just an open fucking hole too. Got a little bit of a baffle inside, but not much. But sounds pretty good, runs pretty good. Not a bad pipe. Still think though on all of them, gonna stick with my super trap. Pretty sure my super trap's still my favorite. But really not a bad pipe. Not a bad pipe at all. I like it a lot better than the megaphone style cobra. That doesn't seem to fucking idle for shit. But yeah, I think I'll stick with the old super trap. That's the best one so far. Alright boys. I don't know what else I could fucking try out. Maybe a fucking stock exhaust. I'm sure you guys all fucking heard those. A Bassani. I don't have one of those. Empire. Might have to get one of those just to try her out, but we'll see. Might have to fucking stop fucking around with the exhaust and get together and start working on the old fucking 250R. I got my 310 cylinder back, fucking fresh bore, ready to go. So I'm just waiting on cases to get powder coated, and then I'll fucking start putting that fucking motor together. Got plenty of parts. It's been sitting here for fucking ever. She's ready to rip. I need to get her together. Got another project. You can see that. 86 350X. That one's pretty much just gonna sit on the sidelines for now. I ain't really too worried about getting that going. I got that over there. But eventually she will go. I got a lot of the stuff. I still need quite a bit. But oh well, with time. I got this little fucking dirty whore back here. That pretty much, I just gotta fucking start putting shit together. I could probably fucking be ripping that around here this fucking winter. We'll see. Alright. Continue watching. I'll fucking post them as I make them.